Ain't it hot? Oh, I'm roasting. Oh, I can't breathe in here, it's so warm.
Hi vlog, what's going on? It's Sunday and it's Sunday evening actually, and it's Father's Day. I did a vlog this morning because I wasn't in the mood to be vlogging, because if you've watched the vlog before, you know I lost my dad, so it's not much a celebration, but we've got to live through it. So now, as you can see, I put on a little bit of makeup, I changed my hair, and my clothes is behind me on the bed because I'm going out to cheer up myself, plus to celebrate Father's Day with my partner. So I might show you what I'm wearing when I've got it on. Yes, I know, but just stay tuned. I like to know what makes you cry. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Morning guys, what's up? Today's Monday. Do you like my new hairdo? The girl's gone back in a wiggy session, but oh my god, I woke up with an headache. I don't know, I didn't even drink much last night, but you see, the body's getting old and I can't rock.
Ain't it hot?
We're going out again.
I'm roasting.
Well, oh my god, it's so hot today, and it's gonna be hotter tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna go up to, they said, 35 degrees. You know, working 35 degrees, how painful that is. People say, oh, but you're Jamaican. No. Yes, I am Jamaican. But this weather hit differently. When it's hot, it's like humid. You can't sleep. You can't do nothing. It was so crazy. And the fan, the poor little fan, they're running off hot air because we keep blowing them on all day, all night. So God bless when the current bill comes out. Oh God, the light bill is gonna be hefty. But back to last night, was so good. I had to just go out to wind down myself, but amazingly, I saw a lot of people that from my community that I haven't seen in ages, so it was a good thing. It was a good thing. God. Hang on. Just eating my thing. I'm checking in. Guys, please remember to like, comment, and do the thing if you haven't done it already. Subscribe. I keep singling with my hair because I don't know, but it is what it is. It's just for school anyway. See you later. Morning guys, look at the car. Look, it was all raining last night, but when I get to work I'll speak to you. Hey guys, morning again. What's popping? Listen to me, this is another day. Last night I've never heard so much thunder and so much rain. Oh my god, but it was so humid. So it's very hot. Tomorrow, that's Wednesday and Thursday, is gonna be the hottest, like 36 degrees. Some schools are closed, which rightly they should be, because I don't know how teaching's gonna go and how the kids are gonna operate. But I'm telling you, it's so much. But where I work, the parents got an option to take their kids, yes or no. But today, because of the rain, I had to change my whole outfit. I was gonna wear shorts and stuff like that, but when I saw, when I heard the rain, because I was videoing the car this morning, it was wet. But when I saw the rain, when I heard the rain last night, I rethink my outfit, because I don't know, but I've got this thin shirt on. It's so thin that I had to put on the shirt underneath it so that I'm not fully exposed. But tomorrow I'll be back in the short, because tomorrow is gonna be hot. Yesterday was hot. Tomorrow is gonna be hot as well. But how do you like my new hairstyle? Comment and tell me, because I start wearing a headband because I'm not gluing it down. And gluing don't make no sense in this weather, because it's too hot and the glue is gonna lift anyway. So, but if you know a glue that doesn't lift when you're sweating, well, let me know, comment and tell me. But this is it. This is my routine. Sit in the car for a little bit. You have to come early to work because the car spaces are limited. So you have to come early to get a space. But it's fine, because I can have my breakfast, chill for a little bit, listen to some music, relax before I go in. Plus, I don't drive every day because, Jesus, yesterday the tank was off tank. And I went to get some petrol. And me bomb it. Spent £45 to fill it up. So that means say it's £90 to fill my tank. No, so this can't happen, you know. Walk one with the gas. Listen me. Ease up on the clutch, man. We need it to be cheap again. What is going on? We can't afford this. What do you want us to do? Start walking everywhere? No, man, this not real. It's not real at all. But so the gas price going up. So the aeroplane ticket fare is going up too. What is going? Because food is going up. What is happening? System not right, man. It's not right at all. Anyway, let me go relax. And then let me listen to some tune. Tune. Relax, and then finish my breakfast. And then I'll go in. And misery, I'm both higher. Oh, sin and misery, I'm born again. Who's this? Oh, hello, Patricia.
Yes. Good morning, good girl.
Morning. You alright?
Where are you?
I'm at school.
Are you working or you drive today?
I drive today. I'm in the car park, sitting down. Where are you?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm coming.
Alright, I'll see you. I'm in the car.
Okay then. All right.
Alright. Yeah, so I'll see you later. Because they said, what did they say? They say that later will be greater. So let's see about that, okay? Hey guys, what's popping? I just got home from work. I was sweating, man. At work, it was so bad that People were falling asleep. It was so bad. So bad. It was so hot too. And they said tomorrow Tuesday, Wednesday. No, today's Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is going to be hot. But mostly Thursday and Friday. But you know, just got in. And I think I wear the wrong clothes. The top was fine. But I have on a trousers. Let me show you. Got on a trousers and ooh boy. My legs were burning up. Especially my feet because I've got trainers on. And we're not allowed to wear open toes. So I don't know about that. Anyway. I got some things from TEMU. I opened one already because it came in a different package, and it's a mosquito net. So you might want to think, why do I need a mosquito net? Because this girl is going on vacation soon. But this one I haven't opened it because I just received it today. So let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Let's put it there. First I've got, oh, these are some, it's for my wigs. The wigs are older. But, you know what? I thought it came with 3 of these, but you know, it's only one, as you can see. But it's got 3 hooks. But I'll work it out. You know, I really thought, you know, with TEMU is a hit and miss. So it's crazy, but you know what? I'll work it out. I really need somewhere to store my wigs anyway. Because I'm a wig girly more time. Because doing my hair sometimes it's long and dragged out. But this is like when you're going on vacation or even store it on your house. So wig caps and this. Okay, I know what this is. This is a portable foot spa with the bag for it too. So it comes like this. Okay, it's very big. Look at it. I guess you put your water, fill it with your water, and then you soak your feet. Oh, this is good. Even in this hot weather, you can put cold water in it. You can soak your feet. Look, it pops up into a mini bucket, and it's very deep as well. Look, oh my, this is good. And it comes with the older the fitted, so need that. What else did I buy? Oh, I'm not gonna open this, but this is it's a 1 second shot, and it's a magnetic door mesh. So to keep bugs and insects out of your house, so it's a magnetic door. You put it over your door outside, good for vacation. So I've got 2 of those. Maybe one for my mom and one for me. I'll see about that. And I got, this is paper soap. I don't know, can't see, paper soap to travel with. Let me see if we, yeah, paper soap. I've never used this before, but maybe it's good for traveling as well. And I got these 2 little mini bags to carry my when I'm going out, to carry my camera in. But online it looks good, so let's see how it looks. Oh, I thought it was thicker than this, but okay, comes like this. Oh, I thought it was, oh. And then you hook it like that. Oh, it's very cute. Alright. You hold it like that. That's fine. This will do. I'll go in that color. And you've got it in the darker color. Because I think when you purchase it, it comes 2 in 1. And I got this. This is the last piece. This is a blue dress. It's a blue spandex dress. Okay. You know what? I said TEMU is a hit and miss, but let's see. Okay. It's just... Let me move the camera back so you can see a bit. It's just come like this. It's very long to the ground. And this is blue, but it looks plain, but on it might look super, super cool. So this is my little haul for the day. So hey guys, what's going on? I just come from work. I look battered and bruised. My lashes are falling off. But you know what? I'm trying to hang on for dear life so they can last until Friday. And my workmate, she yelled bright as he trying to take them off. I said, no girl, leave them. Anyway, it is so hot. Hot like fire. But surprisingly, work wasn't that bad. It was hot, yes. Bearable. We have no AC, it's just fans. It's nice, but we had water play most of the days, Wi-Fi in the evening, which make it so good. But Lord, I'm just checking in because guess what? This girl is tired. And you know what? My day is not over because I've got to go and cook because I'm hungry. But I'm just checking in to see if everyone's okay and how did you spend your day. And big up my daughter Zaya on her birthday. The girl is getting older. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. What's popping, guys? Good morning. It's another hot day today. I don't know how we're gonna survive, but you know what, we survived yesterday with lots of water play and stuff like that, so I guess we'll survive today as well. And for those who didn't send their children to school, well done. But oh my god, I'm sweating already. Look, I have to wear this because this is not allowed, so I have to throw this over. But oh child, I'm sweating. And this seems like it's gonna be a car vlog, so it's got to do what's got to do, love. And may I tell you, my lashes are falling apart. I think I said that yesterday, but it's hanging for dear life, especially that one. Hanging! It needs to hang till the weekend, because the weekend I'm gonna do a reset vlog. And you know what? It is what it is. But you know, we're human beings anyway. We complain about cold. We complain about the rain. And we complain about the sunshine. But no, man. It's hot. The hot. And this country don't have no AC. God bless who have AC.
And it hot.
The fan, they're blowing cold air anywhere, so I don't know what's going on, but you know, we will survive. How they say, I will survive. I will survive. Anyway, you have a blessed day. And keep doing what you're doing and trying to stay alive. But I'll check in again later. Oh my god, look how I'm sweating. Look how the sun is hot. The sun is shining. Look there. We have a hot date time. Hey, all I can say is that I left my house nice and neat. And look at me. I came back disheveled. Look at my face. The lashes hanging on for dear life. I'm sweating and I'm tired and I'm bothered. England is facing this week one of the hottest week ever. But you know what, pray for us because we will survive. Anyway, I'm closing off the vlog here. I hope you like it. But remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next vlog. Peace.